𝗖cie watches. So 𝗖cie watches, 𝗖cie Epson is main parent company of Epson, 𝗖cie Epson Corporation. So we are, our parent company is 𝗖cie. So it's actually, basically it is a global leader in imaging products, including 3D LCD projectors, small and medium size LCDs. It is basically 1 trillion Japanese company. We have 23 manufacturing plants. We have 18 companies all across the world. And we are listed on the first stock of exchange from Tokyo Stock Exchange. So we support all 17 sustainable development goals. I think a few hours back, we were discussing about sustainable development goals. So we as Epson also, we are bound to, we are all supporting all the 17 goals, which is no poverty, zero hunger, good health, quality education, gender equality, affordable and clean energy, decent work and economic growth, and so on and so forth. So we are supporting all the 17 goals, sustainable development goal, which is a Union Nations goal. So when we talk about Epson India, we are based at Bangalore-based company, and we have started our business in 2000 in Epson India. So we as a product, we deal in dot matrix printer, ink tank printers, projectors, POS printers, consumables, and many other robot products in India. Most of these products, we are either number 1 or number 2. And we are still growing in all these product categories. When we talk about Epson, even our honorable minister also, we have spoke that technology is playing major role in education. And education department and education, all the teachers, they are learning, teaching or digital platform very well. During COVID times, जब किसी को पता नहीं था कि क्या होगा, तब उस समय टीचर्स ने अपने स्किल्स को अपग्रेड किया और ऑनलाइन क्लासेस, जब सब कुछ बनता, हमारे ऑफिसेस बनते, हम सब घर पे थे, तभी भी ऑनलाइन टीचिंग चालू थी. So that is possible because of digital, and education team and education department has taken this digital platform very well. From the administration, office, and classroom, everywhere, this technology is driven, and we are playing all the major roles in all the departments. So how Epson is adding benefits to this education department? We have EcoTank printers. So when it comes to India, whenever any buyer purchases anything, even car or whatever it is, normally they ask us running cost. Whenever people of Indian mentality is there, when we go to purchase any car or any vehicle, normally we talk about running cost and what is the mileage. So that is where we have come, and we have launched the EcoTank printers. Why these products are called EcoTank or economical? Because it is eco-friendly and economical. So when it comes to eco-friendly, our vision is by 2050, we want to be a carbon negative. So we don't want anything, we are not going to take anything from natural resources. We are going to recycle our own products, and we are going to manufacture those products. So we want to be a carbon negative, and that is the promise which we actually do to our environment. So this is the part of this, and where it is energy saving, and where running cost is also very less. So these products are used in schools and even houses, where in COVID time, normally when education or work from home or study from home started, lot of students, lot of teachers, and even offices, they were purchasing printers, because everything cannot be done digitally. It is not possible, everything in mobile or laptop PCs. So this is where we started with EcoTank printers. Then we have copiers. Now, when we launched these EcoTank printers, competition told, it is not possible that life of this EcoTank printer is not much. So we have launched a 100 ppm copier where we are giving a warranty of up to 60 lakhs. See, I just want to give you a little brief is where our product is, how our product is different than competition. The competition printers are using laser products. So laser products requires lot of energy, lot of power, and it is basically used by lead particles. So lead particles, which is there available in toners, which is actually very dangerous to our lungs. ये कोरोना ने हमको सिखाया कि लंग्स भी एक इम्पॉर्टेंट पार्ट होता है हमारे बॉडी का. उसके पहले हम हार्ट, किडनी, लीवर, ये 3 चीज़ पे ज़्यादा ध्यान रखते थे. लंग्स का नॉर्मली ध्यान नहीं रखते थे लोग. तो कोरोना ने सिखाया कि लंग्स भी एक इम्पॉर्टेंट पार्ट होता है. एंड द पीपल हु आर यूजिंग लेजर प्रिंटर्स और लेजर टोनर, they are actually inhaling those lead particles, which is actually more harmful than cigarette smoking. And even the energy which we are saving with the Epson printers, most of these printers are taking very less power consumption, whereas other competition brand takes more than 1,000, 1,500, 3,000 watt power consumption. And state like UP, we require more of power, and power failure in UP is more. So we have launched this kind of products which can print 60 lakh pages in a year without any failure. So these kind of products which we have launched. And we have interactive projectors. Now teaching, as every teaching is going to a digital platform. So even teaching classroom is converting into flat panel and all. So we have also have lot of products which we are supplying to school, which can be used as a interactive panel, which can replace interactive panel. And normally, we have seen most of the schools are going towards a flat panel display. So now the advantage and the difference between the Epson projectors and flat panel display is, flat panel display maximum size is 60 or 75 inches. And normal scenario, any classroom, there is a rule of 4 by 6 by 8. So when a room size is 30 feet, so it is divided by 6. So height should be 5 feet, height should be 5 feet. So that last row student or last row audience can see the presentation. Okay, 75 inches for a classroom size of 30 feet or 35 feet or 45 is not sufficient. And that is the reason where we are selling this kind of interactive projector, which can make any hard surface, any white hard surface as an interactive, and it can give up to 98 inches diagonal screen, which is very visible for a hall size of even 40 feet hall size also. We have demo available outside. If anybody is interested to see the demo, they can go and have a look of the demo also. Then we have large venue projectors. This is basically used in large auditoriums. So most of the schools are asking for auditorium projectors also. So we have lot of projectors up to 30,000 lumens, which can cater your requirement of auditorium purpose as well. Scanners. Lot of schools are using scanners for their examination purposes and all. So we have all the range of scanners we have scanners up to 100 ppm and 40,000 pages duty cycle also. So this kind of products also you can use for your requirement, based on your requirement. And then for label tagging, asset management, we have label writers also. So 9 mm to up to 50 mm label taggings also you can do for your asset coding and drawer tagging and file tagging as well. And then photo printers range also we have. So most of the schools are using our photo printers where few of the time they want to take out the printout and put on the board. So they earlier they used to do outside. Now in-house also they can do, and with ink tank printers running cost is very cheap, and they can do on in-house also. So that's all for my presentation. My contact number is displayed as below. If anybody wants any kind of products related queries or confirmation, you can always get in touch with me. We have all the possible solution. We have other products also, but those are not important for education purpose. We are not displaying like robots and other products. So my mail ID and number is as given below. And if at all, if you have any queries related to Epson, you can anyways call me. Thank you all for your patience, and thank you.
Thank you, Mr. Pramod Kumar Mishra, for such an enlightening session. I would now like to invite Ms. Binni Singh, Director, Tiny Tots Group of Schools, Ayodhya, to felicitate Mr. Mishra.